Hi. Today you will find out how much can our land weigh. In ancient times, people imagined the earth in the form of a convex disk resting on three whales, which in turn were placed on a huge turtle. Instead of whales, elephants sometimes appeared. But the flat shape of the earth and the presence of an edge remained unchanged. Thanks to Giordano Bruno and Magellan, the Middle Ages brought to mankind knowledge about the spherical shape of the planet. Recognizing it as a physical body, scientists began to study various properties, including weight. According to physical laws, weight is a force acting on a support. Our planet literally has no support. This means that we can only talk about its mass. The ancient Greeks were the first to try to determine the volume of the Earth. The great Italian Galileo discovers the law of freefall. Newton's studies in the field of gravity led him to the conclusion that the force of attraction of two bodies depends on their mass and the distance between them. In other words, the more massive the bodies, the more they are attracted to each other. And, the greater the distance, the less this force. At the end of the 18th century, the mass of the Earth was first calculated, almost 5.8 sextillion tons. Modern calculations have increased this figure by about 1/10. The fact is that about 30,000 tons of cosmic dust settles on the surface every year. The total mass is created from the crust of hard rocks, the mantle layer and the hot liquid core. Using the principles of gravity, the mass of the Earth can be calculated using a suspended small weight and, next to it, tons of lead. The difference between the force of gravity relative to the weight and the force of attraction of the load to the lead will allow us to calculate the mass of the planet. If we compare the Earth with other planets, then Mars, Venus and Mercury are lighter. But the gas giant Jupiter is 317 times heavier than it. Saturn is 95 times heavier. Neptune is 17 times. Uranus is 14 times. If the information was useful to you, you can like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.